guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Learn with Gege. Today we are going to be learning how to remove your Gmail account or your Gmail address from unwanted websites. Probably in the course of surfing through the internet, you might have mistakenly subscribed to certain kinds of malicious websites that are harmful and you are not even aware. Today we are going to look at how you can remove your account from such websites. So the steps are very simple. The first thing you are going to do is to click on your Google account. You go to manage your account, and as soon as you click on manage account, the next thing you need to do is to go to security and then scroll down to third party apps and services. We can decide to see all, but right now I'm just going to select. Okay, let me click on see all. These are my list of third-party apps and services. uh, Probably I do not want this particular website because I don't even know what it is about, and then I'll select that one. See details, click on see details, and then this is a very important part of the tutorial. All you need to do is to click on stop using sign in with Google, and then finally you click on confirm, and Google will no longer automatically sign you in to covered. That is how you can detach your Google account from such websites. And once you do this, you can go through the same procedure. Go to the next one. I'm going to look for another one. uh, let's say I don't know what this guy is all about. I'll click on it, click on see details, repeat the same procedure, stop using sign in with Google. I'll click on confirm, and then that is also off. You can repeat this same procedure over and over until you have taken care of all the websites that you do not know when you subscribe to them or how your Google account got attached to them. Thank you very much. See you in another exciting episode of Learn with Gege. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share to other people that may need this information. Thank